These weld-on round or square tube mount trailer jacks from ULT offer a strong, reliable, and permanent mount to lift up to 2,000, 3,000, or 5,000 pounds. The top wind models have claw knobs on solid bar handles that conveniently fold away when not in use. The Sidewind models have large, comfortable grooved handles that make cranking almost effortless. A grease zerk fitting is built into each for easy greasing of the jacks, and a welded-on foot adds stability. Each jack also includes a pin and lanyard assembly. The jacks come in a variety of models ranging in total capacity from 2,000 pounds to 5,000 pounds, and each extends an additional 10 to 15 inches. The round tube jacks have a corrosion-resistant powder coat finish on the outside, with a zinc finish on the inner tube and foot. The square tube jacks have a durable painted finish on the outside with a zinc finish on the inner tube. Safely lift up to 2,000, 3,000, or 5,000 pounds with these weld-on round or square tube mount trailer jacks from ULT.